Good evening time, everybody. Hope you're all doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're not already. I'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at Stomper.com. Won't be long. It's time for the roll call. I might make it over. Depends on if little Joe's in there or not. All right, guys. Let me tell you a little story here. We have got a Galaxy 2517. Well, is that my swap meet? A buddy of mine said, I really want that. I'll trade you my radio for it. And I said, okay. And they was giving it away, and I got it. Of course, nobody knew nothing was wrong with it. And I got it. And I went over where the guy wanted it, and I bought it from him. And I was going to trade my buddy out of it. Got it here listening to it. First off, the power was low on it, so I put a set of files and fixed that. Then I sat here and listened to it a while. It didn't have no volume. I like never figured it out. I kept flipping this switch right here, and it lose volume. Now you can see it's got tons of volume. So, I mean, it had receive, but it didn't have no volume to it. So we got that problem fixed, got it all fixed up. Now we're going to make a trade with him. That was back in March when all this went down. So I was trying to do a favor, and it's going to cost me a lot of work, a long time. I got a new switch from Truck CB Sales. Anyways, quick test review. I don't know what to turn the carrier up. On high, keys 4, hello, 1, 2, 3, Bob my Bob. Kills a 20. On the 200. On the old Dolce, hello, we're wide, about 45. On the Bird, 100 watt slug. Hello, worldwide, we're looking at a 30 on the Bird peak. This 100 watt slug. Average. Hello, worldwide, almost 20 average. That's one time that the Dolce is actually tighter than the Bird. No, it ain't. I'm sorry, I was reading the wrong scale. I thought the Bird's usually looser than the Dolce. It's showing 60 on the Bird. You're reading a 100 watt slug, it's that bottom scale. I got confused. But so that's about right. Hello, 4005 on the Dolce. You want to see a top meter? 10 watt scale. Hello, what? Hello, I don't know, we're on the 50 watt scale now. Hello. So it's showing 15 watts peak on the old B&K meter, getting on down. So there she is, guys. She's all up and ready to go. Just on my quick video for the gentleman I'm trading with. We are going to put a few things up for sale tonight. I don't know how much we're going to work on 16 or not. We'll see. But guys, I appreciate you watching. Alrighty, guys. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join us on the YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at Stomper.com. Stomper.com.